70
time to spare go by air?
Right.
Good day.
You never want to be in a hurry.
You're so right.
Yeah.
So Akiko, as your check airman, what is the number one rule as a pilot?
As a pilot, fly the airplane. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Excitation. This is Captain Akiko here, and welcome back, Aaron, to my YouTube channel.
Thank you. Pleasure
It's
to be
been
here
a while.
always.
Yes, so we are going today at Scottsdale, Arizona. So I have another friend waiting for us there. He used to be my DPE at the flight school Sencom, and so we will have a very enjoyable conversation. I hope pilot conversation again. So I hope you will enjoy our video. See you soon. こんにちは皆さん、エクサイテーションへようこそ。キャプテンアキコです。今日はですね、エアロンがまた戻ってきてくれました。ありがとうございます。
おはようございます。
それでですね、今日はスコッツデール、アリゾナ州にあるところに行くんですけれども、以前ですね、私がそこでフライトスクールに通ってたことがあるんですね。で、そこで教えてくれた、試験官だったんですけれども、ジムっていうんですが、彼に会うことになってまして、そこでみんなでランチをすることになってます。ちょっとね、楽しみにしているので、皆さんもエンジョイしてください。これが良かったと思った人は、LIKE ボタン、サブスクライブボタンを押してください。じゃあまたね、バイバイ。
Oh my goodness, this is going to take a while.
Tango Monitor Tower 193.
So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4.
On this side,
right?
but I don't see any over there,
Yeah,
but more jets could come over there. We have the Blythe transition.
Repeat last for 0 Julie Mike.
For some reason, there's a ground
Over
stop
0
over there, and I don't
runway
know
34
why,
left,
but he
clear
said
line.
expect 40 minutes.
Clear land 34
30
left,
minutes.
0 Julie Mike.
30 minutes. So we're going to be here a while.
Mike, going
You want to let your friend know we're going to be late?
Citation 44 Delta Tango, runway 34 left, full length, line up and wait, traffic, 5 mile left base, Hawker.
Line up at 34 left, 44 Delta Tango.
All right.
Citation 4 Delta Tango, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear to take off 34 left, 44 Delta Tango.
And I was Tower Turkey 32291 at Mike 34 left for downwind special
Speed alive.
flight, please.
Let's check. Rotate.
Turkey 80908, Van Nuys Tower, runway 34 left, full length, line up and wait.
I've been away 34 left.
Number 32462, Van Nuys Tower, left traffic, runway, correction, left base, runway 34 left.
Okay, so gear up, flaps up, climb power set, and landing lights off, and flight surge is coming up.
Good.
My guess is 350 or something today.
I'm thinking that's
Right.
probably
Yeah.
going to be the case. The winds have been very strong. Yesterday I went into Las Vegas in the Citation,
Okay.
in the CJ3, and the winds were gusting to 37 knots.
Oh, wow.
It was very windy.
Oh, God.
They actually had a ground stop in Las Vegas for the wind.
Oh, really? See, like, we have to be
877,
patient,
contact LA
you know.
Center on 128.37, good day.
What did they say?
128.37,
Time
good
to
day.
spare go by air?
Right.
Good
You
day.
never want to be in a hurry.
You're so right.
Yeah.
November 44 Delta Tango, climbing to flight level 410, you're checking in?
410, 44 Delta Tango.
November 44 Delta Tango, LA Center, roger.
Yeah, these
November
are all
44
seems
Delta
like
Tango, amend altitude, climb and maintain flight level 370, that's going to be a final.
370 final, 44 Delta Tango.
That's kind of
Skywest
what we thought.
3522, descend via the
That's
Hollywood
more
One arrival.
realistic.
It is.
November 4 Delta Tango, contact Luke approach 118.15.
118.15 for Delta Tango. So airport could be that area.
This can be a very difficult airport to find if you don't know
Right.
the area well. As we
Yeah.
get a little bit closer, there's a freeway I can show you that will help guide you to runway 21. And that will help you to spot the airport.
Oh, I see.
Today we'll have to rely a little more heavily on the GPS because Scottsdale is in the middle of a very populated area and it's hard to see the runway.
Got it.
So if we
So I'm
just
not gonna
keep
go
that
like
freeway
that.
in sight, you'll know that when the freeway gets near the mountain, that's where the airport's going to be. We
Got
still
it.
don't see it.
approach 119.2.
We still don't see it yet.
Right.
But actually, I see it, but I know what I'm looking for, and it's just like the buildings are just like they blend in with everything else. I can't really describe
Right.
it.
Cessna 12 Delta, frequency change approved.
We'll see you later, 1 Delta.
Cessna 2 Lima Alpha, frequency change approved.
Thank you, 2 Lima Alpha.
Ross will be going to the left of your right airport. Yeah.
Okay, so we just got here, Scottsdale, Arizona, and we just met my previous examiner, Jim, at the SimCom. So nice to see you again, Jim.
Great to see you.
Yes,
Perfect day for a flight to
that's right.
zip to Arizona.
Yes,
Absolutely.
beautiful here. And I just wanted to hear that when I had a check ride with you, what did you think about me flying? If you do still remember.
That's a gutsy question, isn't it? Especially on camera. But
Yeah.
no, you were an excellent student,
Good.
well versed in the books and knowledge of the airplane, and you worked hard.
Yes,
And
that was 2
your
weeks.
instructor, 2 weeks of
Yes.
instruction, getting it what we call type rating. And the type rating is all, your first week is all ground school, and then the second week is all flight training
Simulator.
in the simulator. And we have a full motion sim.
Right.
And
Before we go to full motion, we have a little simulator session
Yes.
without the motion, right? But before that, I have to pass the written exam, right? And then we move to this simulator, and then we move to this motion simulator,
Correct.
right?
So little by little, first you start in the books, knowledge, then you get to start applying this knowledge on checklists. Before you get in the sim, because once we're in the sim, that's expensive time.
Yes.
And you've got to know your checklists and your basics.
Everything.
And then now you're flying,
All
you're
the-
working on your flying skills.
Right. And the emergency, all the emergency.
Well, that's why we use simulators, because that way I can fail an engine and have this emergency without danger to you or me in the aircraft.
So that was
So
very,
yes, Gary
yeah.
got you prepared, and
That's
you
right.
went through normal training sessions, and then I was the check airman,
Yeah.
and I just basically we have a canned series of events that we go through four major approaches. 2 of them have to be single engine,
Right.
and 2 of them have to be non-precision.
Right.
And so from an ILS to a VOR to another ILS single engine
Circle
to
to land.
then a circle to land, there are no visibility conditions.
Right.
And you did excellent with this. So we blessed you, and then you have to go off with a, what do we call them, the mentor pilots,
Right.
which are
25 hours.
25 hours, and then you get blessed from that with your local FSDO. You take your logbook in
Yes.
to then have signed
did that.
off, and now you are a
Officially,
single pilot.
right? Single pilot, type tech. So that's what we
Mustang.
did. And I've been trying to build ours, Aaron, and I have
And
two
what-
other pilots.
What is your total time now in that aircraft?
So I have now, I was talking about Aaron today, 460 something now.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
terrific.
I know.
In less than a year, that's excellent. Most
So-
owner-operators run about 120 to 140
Mm.
hours a year.
So I'm flying a lot,
Yes.
obviously.
So anyway, I'm hungry. Let's go get some lunch.
That's right. Let's
So-
have some lunch.
Some
and we'll
lunch and
talk a little
some
more.
fun jets out
Experience
Scottsdale,
from you.
Arizona. Great to see you, Captain.
Okay.